Hello everyone. I welcome you all for our deep learning with generative AI classes with projects and research. So, I'm really happy that you guys took an initiative to join the classes for deep learning and generative AI. You want to about the concepts of deep learning and how generative AI is playing a role right now in various sectors of our working, whether it is education, whether it is industry, or whatever you are seeing right now. We are able to find a trend that artificial intelligence is playing a major role in each and every your organization and the industries companies. They are trying to automate the task. Okay, automation. So right now you are seeing this blank page, and I do start my every class with a blank page. And what I mean is to fill this blank page with knowledge. So right now what I suppose to say that you all are being like blank at this particular time, and when we will be completing our this classes with a lot of concepts, quality education, knowledge wise, by doing some projects, by doing some research. And I believe after that particular time you will be having a lot of in your uh, what you have supposed to join this class. That is the goal by which you have supposed to join this classes. You will be satisfying and you will be accomplishing that task. Okay, so machines, they came long way back. Okay, that means we are having 70 to 80 years back, if I say. So machine, they were built to solve the problems, basic problems initially, and simple mathematical operations were done by the machines at the initial stages. They were present in a huge rooms, and the computation were done by the machines to solve some simple task. And then later on, as the technology keep on growing, this machine has taken over a lot of tasks, and we have developed the capability of this chip. And now we can see this machine in a small form, and we are using mobile phones, which is also a computer. Because of this chip technology has enhanced, capability has been enhanced, and hardware has been reduced to a smaller form, and software capability has also been increased. Okay, so right now we are in a position that we can install various softwares, various applications on these small devices, and you can perform the computation. What computation means is to enhance the hardware and software capability. This is called as computation. So our goal for this machine development, for this hardware and software development, is to make the task simplified. And every time we want to achieve this task to be solved in a quick, in a fraction of seconds. That's what we want. That was the only reason we want ourselves to be lazy, and we are investing our time. Okay, then the engineers, the scientists, the developers, all they are working to build up the machines to make much more capable, so that they can solve your task in a quick way. Okay, and obviously they are powerful. Okay, they are having memory capabilities, high memory capabilities. Previously that was not the case when in 50s or 60s. Okay, but right now we are in a good position related to the memory, related to the CPU. Okay, and also there is one more thing which was rising right now is the data. Okay, for every action, whether it is a good or bad, whatever, the data has been generated. Okay, we all are present on the social media websites, we all are present somewhere on the internet. Obviously there is a data. Okay, and company want to utilize this data for their own purpose, to do branding, marketing, or whatever for their products. And also we want to do the data analysis to generate the result for our research also, है ना? So data is been used for many purpose. Okay, and obviously the world is a digital world, as I told now. Internet, they are making the people to get connected with each other. So we are communicating also, we are having huge amount of data also, we want to perform analysis also, we want to perform development also, everything we want to achieve by this. Ab, we are having so many things to do, and sir, machine are there na, why we will do everything, sir? Let machine to do something, sir. Let us automate the task, sir. So machine will do. And sir, machine are, sir, faithful, sir. We can have humans be unfaithful, because we are having feelings, we are having gestures, so now we are having many other uh, reasons to be unfaithful. Machine nahi hoga, machine can't be unfaithful, because machine don't have all those things. Machine, you give the task, they will give you the result. Just you have to manage what are the requirements for it, hardware, software. Just manage, and they will give you the result. So let's automate the task, sir. Let machine to do the work. And also they will not demand for you the salary, sir. Machine will not ask, kindly give me salary on the first of every month. No. Okay, so if we rely on machine, we will get the quicker result, better result. Okay, and this brings an idea of an kind of an intelligence that is called as artificial intelligence. Okay, AI. So we all are here for this term, AI, and because of this term only we are connected to explore, to study, to understand what is AI, artificial intelligence. So machine bana, machine were there to solve your problems, as I told in my opening of the lecture. Okay, computers are there, they are doing all computation, they are solving the problem. Okay, the scientists or researchers, they thought, if they are already solving the problem, why shouldn't we make them intelligent? That's what I told, in the form of automation. We don't want human intervention in between. No, we want a machine to self take the decision and solve the problem, no human in the loop. So intelligence, what is this intelligence? Now that's a question. What is this intelligence? Intelligence is the ability to learn, to understand, and to apply knowledge to solve a problem based upon different situations. Okay, and this is what we humans do. We also get so many problems, we also get so many challenges. So we apply our mind according to the knowledge, according to what we have learned. Accordingly, we do respond to those problems and we try to get a solution for that particular problem. I want, being as a human, the same capability in machine. I want the machine to think. I want machine to apply skills over that particular problem to solve it and generate the result for me as humans do. So such kind of capability I want to induce in the machine, and that will be called as an artificial intelligence. Artificial because it is not a human. Okay, machine are doing the task, so obviously it is artificial. Okay, and we want the same ability in the machine to do it. Right now every company are focusing upon the artificial intelligence in their work culture, how they can apply AI in their task, and they want those tasks to get automated. Obviously they will get much more flexibility by doing so. Okay, so as I told you, what is intelligence? This makes your field of artificial intelligence. It is associated with computer science, and we want to create or develop machines and softwares that can perform the task typically which can be done by the humans. Okay, fine. So that's what we are looking forward for. Okay, fine. So, all right. Okay, just a second. All right. Okay, I'm going to show you the another screen. Okay, let me go through. Okay, just a second. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, just a second.